God help me na die a day. God see me na year a day. Abi you not be God again? No be you create both night and day. Out there things are tough. In here things are rough. Calamity hold me strong like handcuff. I no fit breathe, I no fit even cough. Lord help me, I'm dying. Lord see me, I'm crying. Lord hear me, I'm begging. God help me, I'm kneeling. If you don't answer me, I'm not living. I need you now, I need your healing. Lord, come for me, come cure this feeling. To that man, be his comforter. To that woman, please comfort her. Shalom.